When humans fade, Earth rises.
0 hours. Humanity disappears. 10 seconds. The world falls silent. 1 minute. Transport stops everywhere. 1 hour. Power grids fail. 1 day. All aircraft go down. 3 days. Cities go dark. 1 week. Pets begin struggling. 1 month. Subways start flooding. 3 months. Infrastructure breaks down. 6 months. Wildlife enters cities. 1 year. Buildings weaken. 3 years. Plants break pavement. 5 years. Houses collapse. 10 years. Dams begin breaking. 20 years. Skyscrapers start falling. 30 years. Cities turn to forests. 50 years. Radiation levels drop. 75 years. Animals thrive. 100 years. Structures mostly gone. 200 years. Metals fully corrode. 300 years. Forests fully recover. 500 years. Cities become nature. 1,000 years. Plastics break down. 5,000 years. Cities sink under sand. 10,000 years. Only stone remains. 10 million years. Continents slowly shift. 100 million years. Human traces disappear.